Horses out, we have Summit Dancer, pass to begin, Geronimo is on the outside, Donor inside, Masaganang Ani, Manila Magic, carry over, Admiral Contender also moving up, Gracious Host and Slim Princess, sees the early trailer, Manila Magic, in between horses, Donor outside, moving up, Donor inside is Summit Dancer, carry over, Gifted Jump, Admiral Contender alongside for, then comes Masaganang Ani, Geronimo, Gracious Host, and Slim Princess trails the field by about 40 lengths of the pace. We have Summit Dancer, Manila Magic, fighting it out for the lead. Gifted Jump now in third, Masaganang Ani in fourth, Admiral Contender also moving up, then a long way back to carry over Geronimo, Gracious Host and Slim Princess. Summit Dancer once again by Ralenka. Gifted Jump now in second, then on the outside is Admiral Contender, Manila Magic in fourth, and Masaganang Ani. Summit Dancer by only a lane, Gifted Jump now moving up on the outside, Admiral Contender in third. And as they come there the last 150, we have Summit Dancer, Gifted Jump, Admiral Contender in third. Summit Dancer by about 2.5 lengths. Gifted Jump in second, Admiral Contender in third. But it's still Summit Dancer, followed by Gifted Jump, Admiral Contender. And finally, Summit Dancer, Gifted Jump, Admiral Contender, Masaganang Ani. Then comes Geronimo, carry over.
237-19